Hello, everyone. How are you feeling today? I am feeling very happy. Are you happy? I hope so. Today we are going to be learning some new feelings, some words to talk about how we feel. Okay? So I hope you are ready. Let's get started. Okay, our feelings. Listen and repeat. Number 1, sad. Sad. Oh, this little girl is very sad. 2, happy. Happy. These children are happy. 3, angry. Angry. He is very angry. Number 4, bored. Bored. She is very bored. What do you think this word means, bored? When there is nothing to do, sometimes I feel bored. Aburrido, bored. Number 5, scared. Scared. She is scared. Number 6, surprised. Surprised. He is surprised. Wow. So, now that we know all of these words about our feelings, we are going to review how to say these things in the past. Do you remember in the last presentation, we learned how to talk in the past? Remember? So, I was happy. He wasn't angry, right? Yesterday, ayer, she was bored, okay? And then with you, we, and they, tú, nosotros, y ellos, were and weren't. You were hungry. We weren't sad. They were excited. Okay, do you remember? Well, how were you yesterday? Yesterday means ayer. We're going to talk about our feelings in the past. How were you yesterday? So listen and repeat. I was happy. Very good. I was happy. He wasn't angry. He wasn't angry. He was happy. They were bored. They weren't scared. They weren't scared. They were surprised. They were surprised. And that's all, you guys. Super easy peasy, right? How were you feeling yesterday? Were you sad? Were you happy? Were you scared? I hope not. Yesterday I was very happy. And today I'm happy too. Okay, great job, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye-bye.